Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a review of the Philips Hue lighting system. Hey everybody, welcome to Tink. I'm Trevor, and today I'm going to be giving a review of the Philips Hue lighting system. So in this review, I'll tell you a little bit about how the Philips Hue lighting system made my life easier, as well as how it integrated with the smart home technology that I already have, and that along the way it was a very easy process and it was reliable at every step too. So for anyone who doesn't have smart home lighting, you're probably wondering, well, how does the Philips Hue make your life easier? Well, being able to control lights via your phone or an app or a home speaker is a pretty remarkable way to make your life a little bit more convenient. You don't have to get up and walk over to a light switch anymore. You don't have to buy different types of bulbs in order just to get different color temperatures. And if you wanted to have a fun atmosphere of some kind or a different scene, you don't have to customize your lights with all different kinds of products. You could do it all in one thing and control it all from one app. So that's a pretty fast way to just make your life a little bit more creative with a simple technology. So another great thing about the Philips Hue lighting system is that it's very compatible with the different smart home assistants that you might have. For my own experiences, I use Google Home products more often, so I'm able to control my Philips Hue lights with my speakers, as well as in the Google Home app. In the same way that I would in the Philips Hue app, I get to control the colors of the lights, the brightness, I can turn them on and off, I can even change the scenes. So all in all, it integrates extremely well with the Google Home system that I already have, as well as the other smart home assistants that you might have in your house too. So over the course of setting up my Philips Hue lights and using them, it was a very easy process and was very reliable at every step. The app works great and it gives you full control over the bulbs that you have. And the only time it's really unreliable is if someone happens to turn off the power switch that it's connected to, which is sort of an analog problem to have when considering the Philips Hue lights. So it's not exactly their fault. You just kind of have to keep that in mind with your home system, that the wall switch is actually now a bit obsolete. So make sure that your family or your friends know that and they're not switching on and off your lights. And then you can control your Philips Hue lights however you need to with your smart home system. So all in all, my opinion of the Philips Hue lighting system is that it's great and that it's a perfect start for you to get some smart home lighting into your house. It integrates so well with whatever smart home system you've already got. It's very easy to use. The app is really nicely designed and intuitive, as well as its crossover functionality with the other smart home apps. And beyond that, it's just also very presentable, and they do a really good job of making you feel like at every step of the way, it's easy to set up and easy to use. And because of that, this is a perfect way to start lighting your home in a smarter way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't already see the other ones, you can check them out now. And stay tuned for more videos from Tink. See ya. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our newest videos. And if you're interested in more information, check out tink.us.